Hello and welcome back to my channel Tech Deliver, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech news, reviews, and tips. I'm excited to have you here today as we explore some common tech myths that you might have heard or believed. As technology continues to evolve and improve, it's not uncommon to encounter outdated beliefs or misconceptions about how certain devices or programs function. That's why it's important to stay informed and separate fact from fiction when it comes to new tech. So, in this video, we'll be debunking 5 of the most common tech myths that might be holding you back from fully enjoying and utilizing the latest technology. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just starting to dip your toes into the world of gadgets and software, you're sure to learn something new. So without further ado, let's jump right in and bust some tech myths. Myth number 1. You need to charge your smartphone to 100% and drain it to 0% to extend its battery life. This is a myth that comes from the old days of nickel-cadmium batteries, which suffered from a memory effect that reduced their capacity if they were not fully discharged and recharged. However, modern lithium-ion batteries do not have this problem and actually perform better if they are kept between 20% and 80% of charge. So don't worry about plugging in your phone when it's still at 50% or unplugging it when it's at 90%. You're not harming your battery. Myth number 2. You need to update your antivirus software every day to protect your computer from viruses. This is a myth that stems from the fact that antivirus software relies on databases of known virus signatures to detect and remove malware. However, these databases are not updated every day, but rather every few hours or even minutes. So updating your antivirus software every day is unnecessary and might even slow down your computer. Instead, you should set your antivirus software to update automatically and run regular scans. Myth number 3. You need to clear your browser cache and cookies regularly to speed up your internet browsing. This is a myth that comes from the misconception that cache and cookies are bad for your computer. Cache is a temporary storage of web pages and images that your browser downloads to make loading faster. Cookies are small files that store information about your preferences and settings on websites. Both cache and cookies can actually improve your browsing experience by reducing loading times and remembering your login details and preferences. However, they can also take up some space on your hard drive and potentially compromise your privacy. So clearing them occasionally can be beneficial, but not necessary for speed. Myth number 4. You need to buy the latest and most expensive gadgets to enjoy the best technology. This is a myth that is fueled by marketing and hype. While new gadgets can offer some exciting features and improvements, they are not always worth the price tag or the upgrade. Sometimes, older or cheaper gadgets can perform just as well or even better than newer or more expensive ones, depending on your needs and preferences. For example, you might not need a 4K TV if you don't have a 4K source or a good internet connection. Or you might not need a smartwatch if you already have a smartphone that does everything you need. So before you buy any new gadget, do some research and compare your options. Myth number 5. You need to be tech savvy to use new technologies. This is a myth that comes from the fear of change and the unfamiliarity of new technologies. While some new technologies can be complex and intimidating, most of them are designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. You don't need to be an expert or a geek to use them. You just need to be willing to learn and explore. There are plenty of resources online and offline that can help you understand and use new technologies, such as tutorials, guides, forums, blogs, videos, podcasts, books, magazines, courses, workshops, etc. So don't be afraid of new technologies. Embrace them and enjoy them. And that concludes our video on busting common tech myths. We hope that you found this information helpful and that it cleared up any confusion you might have had about these topics. Remember, staying informed and up to date with the latest technology is crucial in maximizing your tech experience. We at Tech Deliver are committed to bringing you the latest and greatest in tech news, reviews, and tips, so make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the loop. Also, if you have any suggestions for future videos or tech myths you'd like us to debunk, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.